Hey, yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey and we're back with another video. Once again, we are trading on pocket option as always, but we are utilizing the indicators that we have on TradingView. There's a lot of indicators that you can use to have super accurate signals, and I'm going to show you which one are we working today. The first one is going to be Hull Suite. Edit, it's the first one once you type it in. So edit, and then we gonna go and do some changes to this indicator. So the first, you go to inputs and we are going to change the length. The length here is going to be 60, and also the multiplier, the length multiplier is 3, and the thickness is going to be 15, and everything else we leave as it is. Apply these settings, and there you go, you have the first indicator set up and ready to go. Now for the second one, there's actually, this strategy uses 3 indicators, and one of them is probably one of my favorite indicators that we have on TradingView, but we will get to that last, and we're gonna start off with the second one first. And that indicator is, of course, something you guys maybe heard from previous videos, but probably most of you don't know. This one is called Downchain Trend Ribbon, and it is right here by Lonesome. I don't see the full name, but anyway, edit right here. This is how it's gonna look on your screen. It looks a little bit cluttered, however we're gonna edit it as well, just so we have it suit our trading style and our trading expiration time. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to inputs and change the period to 3. So the Downchain channel period is going to be 3, so change it for yourself as well. And that is pretty much it. Now you can just actually, this is pretty much it. That's all you need, and make it a little bit smaller so it doesn't take 50% of your screen. And the last indicator, my favorite one that I use on TradingView most of the time, is Super Trend. So edit, and then we're gonna do some changes right here on Super Trend as well. We go to inputs, we change the ATR period to 50. We're gonna change the ATR multiplier to 5.1, and you can actually make the ATR multiplier lower depending on what you like. However, you should keep in mind that the lower it is, the less guaranteed that your signal is actually going to be correct. So you have to keep that in mind. And 5.1 is that area that's actually when you get that signal to buy or sell, that it actually goes through. But here we are, $532. We're gonna go with 150 to start off and see what we got. But now let's proceed to our first entry of the day and see what we can get, and I'll explain how the strategy works. Let's go. And here we have our first possible entry. It is a little bit late because you want to enter when the switch just happened and when the super trend has just printed the signal. However, here I still see both Downchain ribbon and super trend. All of those are 3 red, so we can definitely enter a 3-minute short position, actually 2-minute short position, because the candle was already kind of midway. So we're taking a 2-minute short position, and you have to basically just wait here and snipe a good opportunity. This strategy will take you some time to find a perfect entry, but as I say, when you're starting off trading with like $50 or $100 as we did yesterday, you want to have the best possible entry, and those will take time. So you have to wait for super trend to print you a buy or sell signal, and then both Downchain ribbons and this Hull Suite, both of those have to be either red or green. depending on which signal you received from Supertrend. So if you get a sell indicator from Supertrend, then Hall Sweet and Done Chain ribbons both should be red, and if it is, then you immediately enter a 1 minute short position. However, make sure when you receive a sell or buy signal, make sure that the candle that initially was going to give you or already gave you that signal, the super trend printed under, make sure that that candle is closed, because what happens with super trend is if the price goes below the trigger point of the signal, then the signal itself disappears. So for example, you get a sell signal and then the candle, the price gets pushed back and the signal will disappear, but you already entered the trade, so you have to wait for the candle to close. Here we have 5 seconds left on the clock, and boom, we secure a nice $133 profit, and we are at a 666,666. Not a good number to have on your balance, but we definitely will take it since it's money. So now let's proceed and find more entries and see what we are working with. Let's go. And as you can see here, we have another possible entry. The Done Chain and Hall indicator has just turned red, and we can see that there's a downtrend forming. So we're gonna enter this trade. Let's see, what's the time currently? 2 minutes, so 2.5 minutes. So let's change to 2 minutes, put 30 seconds here and enter a short position. And now let's skip ahead and see if we manage to secure this. As you can see here, it is the Done Chain ribbon turned red, and also we had a sell indicator pop up a few minutes before that. So this is still a risky thing, because you want the sell or buy indicator from Supertrend to appear as you entering the trade, maybe 1 to 3 candles, but we had at least 7 candles from there. So this is still a little bit of a risk, but I can see that there's a downtrend currently forming, so I am entering a short position just like that. Now let's skip ahead and see if we manage to get the money. Let's go. And here we are, 5 seconds away from securing our money, and we are at 826 already with just 2 days. So this could be definitely you. As you can see here, we entered riding the trend, the short-term trend, and getting our money. But before we proceed with trading, guys, I want to remind you that we have a free signals group available for you. You can join this group right now by simply following the link in the description to this video. And already once you join, you have access to giveaways that are happening daily. You can win $100, and of course the free signals that we give out daily as well. Every time there's a trading session in private trading group, you will receive 2, sometimes even 3 signals, and that will definitely help you to start building up your balance. However, my advice would be, of course, trying your best to get into private trading group. There is a lot of content for that group on the way, and once it rolls out, it will be really hard to join, since the spots in that group are limited every day. A few people may leave and there's a few spots free. However, those spots are going to be taken for a while and you won't be able to join. So my advice would be to try your best to join the private trading group. And of course, once you join, participate in our $100 giveaway, win yourself some funds that you can put towards trading. You can participate in the giveaway by simply subscribing to our YouTube channel, watching a video from start to finish, leaving a comment and leaving a like on the video that is participating in the giveaway. So with that said, the bread and butter of this group is of course the trading sessions that Neos runs every day from Monday to Friday. You can participate in them if you are part of the private trading group with no payment whatsoever. If you are part of private trading group. Every day you can participate in those trading sessions, so hop in, join us. They've been absolutely amazing lately, and you can definitely make some good money. This is the group where you can actually start living your best life. So hurry up, join us, send Neos a message saying I want to join team, and he'll provide you with all the information you need. But now let's get back into trading and do one more trade. I want to get to 1,000, and that is exactly what we're gonna do. Let's go. And here we are looking, actually I'm not sure, this is pretty decent here, so we could make some work out of it. Even though the signal was pretty long time ago, it is still possible to enter here since there's a massive uptrend. So we're just gonna wait for this candle to close in green, and then we're gonna take a 3-minute long position. As you can see, both Hall Suite and Super Trend and Down Chain ribbons all indicate that there's currently an uptrend, and of course entering as soon as Super Trend gave us the signal was the best option. However, it is not possible now, so we are going to take a $300 trade here with a long position. Now let's keep ahead to the end of this option and see if we manage to get it. Let's go. And here we are at a brink of a loss or a win. We don't know yet, but it is really close and looks like we are securing our money at we're finally at 1,000. So from here on now, we can just trade and make the amount of money that we want to. But as you can see, just trading with the indicators on pocket option is pretty damn easy, guys. So I hope you are having a fantastic week. I hope you join our trading group, the private trading group and free signals group, and start trading with us today. And now I'll see you guys at the next trading session, and of course I'll also see you in the next video. Peace.